95% of buyer journeys happen without you, and 85% of buyers care as much about the buying experience as the product. But most sales processes rely on messy email chains and scattered comms to navigate growing buying committees and sync stakeholders, not to mention hidden decision makers that stall your deals. It's hard to sell when you're not in the room where decisions are made. Enter Trumpet, AI-powered, auto-personalized digital sales rooms and collaborative workspaces that guide your buyer from first call to closed won and beyond. Centralize all sales collateral, AI-generated business cases, mutual action plans, and more. Everything you need to get the win, while keeping prospects informed with up-to-date information through live content syncing. Engage your buyers with async chat, video, voice notes, or live huddles, creating consistent conversations and deal momentum. And Trumpet isn't just for sharing content. It unlocks never-before-seen insights, knows who's active, what's landing, who's influencing the deal, and how to follow up. Prioritize deals that are likely to close. Get AI-powered engagement scores and org charts, along with live alerts in Slack, Teams, and CRM Sync. Remove friction, move conversations forward, and turn your buying experience into your unfair advantage with Trumpet. Book your demo today.